let me say Happy New Year! Yay! Hello, 2023. We are so excited to see you. Hi guys, this is Kenya. Welcome back to Kenya's Decor Corner. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you will go ahead and click the subscribe button, and also be sure to hit the notification bell so you will not miss any upcoming videos. For my faithful family members, you all know I love you so very much. Yes, it is a very happy New Year's Day, and I decided to start the year off with a cooking video. Now, I decided to do this because, number one, I am not hosting New Year's dinner at our house this year. I did host Christmas, and so, but I am going to be making a dish to take over to my mom's house for our New Year's meal, and so I'm going to be making cornbread casserole. So I've done this recipe in a previous video a couple of years ago, but it was incorporated within the video, and I've gotten so many comments on how to make this that I decided to do a video that is just featuring the cornbread casserole. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I'll make this, oh my goodness, delicious, so delicious dish that everyone will love. All the kids, all the family will love it, and it's super easy. Then just keep watching. So, okay guys, this recipe is really super easy to make, and it only requires a few ingredients. So first we'll start with 2 boxes of Jiffy cornbread mix. You can use your favorite brand items, but I would suggest that you definitely use Jiffy cornbread mix because I'm not sure how it will come out if you use a different brand. But as it relates to the corn and the sour cream, you can use any brand that you like. So here I'm just stirring the cornbread mix a bit to get out some of the larger lumps. And that's okay if there's some lumps there, but just you want to break it down a little bit so that you don't have a lot of large chunks. Now I'm using 2 cans of whole kernel corn, and I have drained the juice off of the corn so that you just have the corn here. You don't want the added moisture from the liquid from the canned corn. Also, you could use frozen corn if you like. Now I'm also going to be using 2 cans of cream style corn, and this is key guys. You have to use the cream style corn because that really does help with the texture and the flavor of your cornbread casserole. So I have 2 cans here of the Green Giant brand. Again, you can use any brand that you like. And now I'm just going to stir everything well to get it all incorporated nicely. And you want to stir from the bottom because you don't want to leave any of the cornbread at the bottom and it's not mixed in well with all of the other ingredients. So be sure to stir well. Take a few minutes, take your time to really get it stirred and mixed nicely. Now I'm adding 1 stick of melted butter. And guys, this is totally up to you. If you want to use this much butter, you can definitely cut that amount to whatever you feel most comfortable with, but this is how much I generally use when I'm making a large pan of the cornbread casserole. And of course, you want to make sure that you stir in the butter well so that it is mixed in with the cornbread mixture. Now for a bit of added sweetness, I have a 1/4 cup of sugar. And this is just regular white sugar. It's up to you if you want to add the additional sugar or not. If you have had Jiffy cornbread mix before, you know that it's already kind of sweet. And so that just adds a little bit more sweetness to it, which I like. And I'll also add 2 eggs to this mixture. And then again, we're just going to stir everything together to combine it all nicely. Now adding the eggs makes the cornbread extra fluffy and light. And again, the sugar makes it a little bit sweeter, but it's not going to be overly sweet. It just makes for the perfect sweet and savory side dish. Now we will add in 8 ounces of sour cream. And again, you can use any brand that you like, but I do like to just purchase the 8-ounce container because then I don't have to worry about measuring out things. I can just use the entire little container with this recipe. And again, of course, you really want to mix the sour cream in well because you don't want chunks of sour cream in your cornbread casserole. So you really want everything to be incorporated and mixed in well so it's nice and smooth and an even texture. Now we will add our cornbread mixture to our baking pan, which I have greased with butter. You definitely want to do this at the bottom of the pan and along the sides so that the cornbread doesn't stick to your pan. You can also use a pan spray if you like. Now I'll just give the pan a little jiggle to spread out the cornbread mixture so that it's all filled in and is nice and level. And now we'll add the pan to the oven, which has been preheating to 400 degrees, and we'll let it cook for about 30 minutes. And here we have our ready to eat cornbread casserole. It is golden brown and it looks and smells delicious. I promise you, this is such a treat that everyone will enjoy it. If you like cornbread, you will absolutely love cornbread casserole. You could turn this side dish into a main course by adding ground beef or maybe chicken or whatever your favorite meat is to make it a full course meal. Or you could spice this side dish up a bit by adding some cheddar cheese and jalapenos and really making it lots of fun. It's totally up to you. So be sure to leave me a comment down below to let me know if you've made cornbread casserole like this or if you use a different recipe. There's lots of variations to the recipes out there. So I'd love to see your comments down below to let me know how you've made cornbread casserole if you have in the past. Okay guys, so I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. Be sure to leave me a comment down below to let me know if you think you'll give this recipe a try. Trust me, you will not be disappointed. This is so good. It's almost like a dessert. It's so yummy. So please be sure to give it a thumbs up. You know that helps me out tremendously. Yes, it does. It helps for YouTube to know that you guys like this type of content and they will push it out to others. So be sure to share this video also with any of your friends and family members that are interested in all that I have going on over here at Kenya's Decor Corner. So again, if you are new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you will go ahead and click that subscribe button and also be sure to hit the notification bell so you will not miss any upcoming videos. For my faithful family members, you all know I love you so very much. And of course, I look forward to seeing all of you on the next video. Much love and many blessings. Bye-bye.